Arduino is a microcontroller platform that allows users to easily create electronic projects. It has a number of benefits that make it an appealing choice for individuals and organizations looking to create custom electronic solutions. Flexibility: Arduino is an open source platform, which means that users have the freedom to modify the hardware and software to suit their needs. This makes it possible to create customized solutions for a wide range of applications. Ease of use: Arduino is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple programming language and a large community of users who share knowledge and resources. This makes it easy for people with little or no electronics experience to get started with Arduino. Cost-effective: Arduino boards and accessories are generally inexpensive, which makes it a cost-effective choice for prototyping and small-scale projects. Versatility: Arduino can be used to create a wide range of projects, from simple gadgets to complex systems. It is widely used in areas such as robotics, the Internet of Things, IoT, and home automation. In summary, Arduino is a flexible, user-friendly, and cost-effective platform that enables users to easily create custom electronic solutions for a variety of applications.